Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove a link from your Instagram bio. So let's go forward and open the Instagram app. And now I'm going to open my profile by tapping this icon with the profile picture at the bottom right corner. So as you can see at my bio right here, I have the youtube.com link. So if I want to delete that, I'm going to hit the edit profile buttons and then select the links option. And as you can see right here, I have this youtube.com link. So I'm going to tap on that and simply select the option remove link and then hit remove. So you removed a link in your bio. So now if I go back to my bio right here, you will see that the youtube.com link has disappeared and has been removed from my bio. So this is all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.